Day 118 of working every day until I have my dream truck. It's been a long day, and I haven't gotten probably enough done. It's been so random. I had to run errands today, so that was a lot of it. I got some writing done, not a whole lot there, and I haven't posted near enough today, but I have been working on a little side project, which is kind of nice. I've got a lot I need to do tomorrow, especially, so we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, it's been a super, super good day, and I'm super lucky, honestly, because I'm able to have days like this where I'm not able to get as much work done as I'd like to, and so it's actually really great because I have the freedom to do that, so I'm lucky. I definitely wish I got more done, but there's always tomorrow, and it's gonna be such an amazing day. So I will see you guys then.